Welcome to MTech Products, Thailand. Our company prioritizes cleanliness, safety, and environmental care. We utilize precise and efficient machinery to produce high quality component parts for electronic and automotive devices. MTech's component parts are used in different applications for several companies. We manufacture wire harnesses of varying sizes. Some are for component parts in the interior and exterior of automobiles. For example, back door locks, room lamps, map lamps, sensor oil filters, and many other parts. MTech Thailand is able to take semi-processed materials and create finished goods through line assembly, semi-auto machines, and a balancing line, which is supported by training and engineering from Matsui Japan in Nagoya. We have machinery calibrated following IATF and ISO standards. The measuring equipment used are CMM, vernier, microscope, micrometer, and an electrical continuity tester. Our national and international logistics management provides the fastest and least expensive shipping with the most efficient delivery. MTech is the leading choice for your needs due to our tax exemption status, lower labor, and storage cost. We create the differences of competitive advantages to serve our customers' needs. Our task is to fully satisfy a customer by paying attention to details, precision, and carefulness during the manufacturing process. In doing this, we produce the highest quality products at the lowest cost. You may not find our name on our products, but now you know who we are, MTech.